Hi everyone, I'm Lara, Director of Artistry for Lancôme Australia, and we're backstage at Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week in Sydney, and we're currently at the Cameo show. So I'm going to walk you through kind of some of my beauty hacks when I'm doing Fashion Week. So what I normally do before Fashion Week, and it's something that I actually do every night, because we have a full week of shows, I like to ensure that my skin has that natural glow throughout the week. We have recently launched these hydrogel masks, which are a super amazing product. So what they actually do is they benefit the skin by adding 1 full bottle of Genifique. It has a concentrate of the key ingredient bifidus extract, so it gives you 1 full bottle in one application. So that's something that I'll do the night before. And then every morning before I apply my makeup routine, we have these devices that we use backstage. They're called the Genifique Youth Activating Devices. And what I do is I use these to apply Genifique in the morning. They use ultrasound waves, which actually penetrates the product into the skin deeper, and it kind of maximizes the glow. So your skin looks really, really healthy, and it gives such a beautiful base before foundation. So they're kind of my skincare hacks. And then when I am backstage and I'm looking a little bit tired, what I normally do is I use Genifique and the Rose Mist as my kind of key touch-up tools. So what I would normally start with is the Rose Mist. So this has a really beautiful, fine texture, and you can just spray it over the face. It smells beautiful, and it just helps to kind of refine and give the skin a nice little boost of hydration and a nice glow. And then with Genifique, I normally just pat a little bit kind of on top of my skin throughout the day to boost the hydration. Sometimes I'll put a little bit on my cheekbones, so it gives like a little subtle glow. Just pat a little bit through the makeup as well, just to kind of make my skin feel nice and refreshed and keep it looking dewy without having that kind of oily look to the skin. So what's my one beauty product that I can't live without? I would have to say probably mascara. Because I am blonde, so when I don't have mascara on, my lashes are kind of not there. And I'd have to say that the Hypnose mascara was the first product that I ever used from Lancôme, and is what made me fall in love with the brand. And still to today, it's my favourite mascara. I do like the Hypnose because of the wand. It makes it really easy to apply. And I like the fact that if you do one application, it's more of a day mascara, but if you want to maximise your lashes, if you do 2 coats, you actually get 6 times more volume. So it's a great mascara from day into night. I'd say that's probably why it would be my favourite beauty product from Lancôme. Another key touch-up product I like to have in my handbag throughout Fashion Week is the cushion foundations. So normally what I apply my foundation in the morning with is the Ultra Wear. So I use Ultra Wear and custom glow drops. So the one that I use is the Rose Gold. So normally in the morning I mix the Rose Gold drops, about 2 drops into my foundation, so it kind of boosts the luminosity on the skin and it gives it more of a kind of glowing texture rather than it being so matte. But then throughout the day, I mean, your foundation's quite heavy to take in your handbag, so I like something nice and compact, like the cushion foundations. So these are great, they come with a little applicator, and then you can just touch up throughout the day where you want to add a bit more coverage. Also, I like the fact that you can use it as a concealer too, so it's a perfect product and it has your little mirror so you can use it as your lipstick tool to touch up too. So who's my favourite beauty muse? My favourite beauty muse would have to be Olivia Culpo. I absolutely love her style, and I love her makeup and her fashion. So with her makeup looks, I think she's so unique in terms of she can pull off every makeup look, and I just really love that she's very creative and kind of mixes her looks up all the time. And she just seems like she's a really truly beautiful person, so she really inspires me and I'm obsessed with her. What is my skincare routine? So I've got quite an extensive skincare routine. I make sure that I cleanse and tone in the morning and night. So I spend a lot of time traveling too. So I like to make sure that I have a routine that's also flexible to take, with me when I am traveling. So I always start with a cleanser and a toner. But to ensure that it's nice and easy, I use one that's a cleanser and toner all in one. So it means less products to travel with. So I use the Eau Micellar water. So this does the cleansing and toning all in one, and it kind of works as a makeup removal, which makes it nice and easy. Then I always start my moisturising routine with Advanced Genifique. So this is always the first step to a moisturising routine. So it's kind of like a primer for your skincare. So I'll use your Advanced Genifique, and then I just use a light moisturiser. So I use the Hydrazine gel because I get a little bit oily throughout the day. So I find that the Advanced Genifique kind of targets all my key, anti-aging and plumping concerns, and then I just need something nice and light for my moisturiser. But the main thing for me as well is eyes. I find that I get really tired eyes and I don't get enough sleep. So especially during Fashion Week, I like to ensure that I'm trying to keep the eyes looking nice and refreshed. And because the eye area is 6 times thinner, so you're going to make sure that you're using certain products that are designed to look after the eye area. So my favourite product for the eyes is the Genifique eye serum. And the reason behind it, it has a little applicator. So what I do sometimes is I put this in the fridge and I use it cold, which makes it nice and refreshing around the eye. But it has a surgical stainless steel pearl which is covered in diamond powder. So that actually helps to depuff the eyes, it helps with any dark circles, puffiness or any fine lines. So that's one of my ultimate favourite products. And I actually like to use this with makeup as well. So sometimes my kind of signature look is wearing a winged eyeliner, and if I just want to clean up the edges of the liner, I'll use a little bit of the Genifique on a little angle brush, and I'll go in and use it just like a little eraser. But it works wonders just to clean up any any little makeup mistakes. My best beauty tip. So my best beauty tip would have to be Genifique. I literally use Genifique for everything. So even if if I'm doing a model's makeup backstage and I notice that the foundation looks a little bit heavy, I'll get a little bit of Genifique, I'll pat it through the makeup. I use it on the cheekbones, so you can see I've just applied a little bit before on top of my cheekbones, so it gives it extra glow. I also use it on the lips as a lip prep. So sometimes if you use balm before lipstick, it then makes it too slippery that you can't use lip liners or anything like that. So I find that it just gives a little bit of a plump to the lip as well as hydration. So it can be used in so many different versatile ways. Sometimes I'll even mix it in with foundation. So it's one of my products that I just use with absolutely everything, and I think it's just, it's that key product to my makeup routine as well as my skincare routine. Thanks so much for watching. It was great to chat with you all, and I look forward to seeing you backstage next year at Fashion Week.